Hi everyone. Today I want to show you there are some clients that have real nails and that are broken. My model right here has 2 brokens on each side. If you pop them up. But she's one of those ones that do not want to cut her nails down, and she does not like artificial nails. So what I'm going to do today is try to fix them for her. Now, she's one of those customers that don't like acrylics on them too. So what I'm going to do is you need some cotton, and you need a quick dry bottle, and some glue, and a buffer. Okay? So I'm going to take my cotton, I'll pull a piece off, and what I'm going to do is get the cotton in between the nail. And I'm going to get some more in between the nail. And then with that, I'm going to drop some glue down, let that side dry, bend it over, and then I'm going to stick cotton on this side also. Okay, and I'm going to drop some glue down too. Okay, and then I'm going to spray. And that does stink. And I'm going to use my nippers. If it's hot, you can spray it with alcohol. If the client's complaining about how hot it is. But if they're not a paying customer, so be it. Okay. It looks a hot mess right now, but I sprayed it with alcohol because she was complaining of the glue burning her. Now I have an illusion of a nail. So I'm going to file the excess off of her. And be really careful because the file could be really sharp and how close it is to the skin. Then you want to run it across there just a tad. Now you see it's not pulling anymore. And then I'm going to do the same thing to this side. And you want to smooth the top a little bit, but don't do so much because clients like this like their natural nails. And then you buff. Usually like to buff with both sides so that way it's smooth and I feel it. And then you wipe it off. And as you can see, it's not lifting or breaking anymore, and that should last about 2 weeks till they come back. So thank you. Have a nice day.